What was the International Military Tribunal, IMT? Have you ever wondered how the world sought justice after the horrors of World War II? The International Military Tribunal, often referred to as the IMT, was a significant step in that direction. Established by the Allied powers, which included the United States, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, and France, this court was set up after the war to hold key leaders of Nazi Germany accountable for their actions. The tribunal convened in the city of Nuremberg, Germany, and its trials took place from November 20, 1945, to October 1, 1946. This was a groundbreaking moment in legal history, as it was the first time individuals were prosecuted for war crimes rather than just states. The IMT aimed to address serious violations of international law committed during the war. The tribunal focused on three main types of crimes: crimes against peace, which involved planning and waging aggressive wars, war crimes, which included violations of the laws of war, and crimes against humanity, which encompassed widespread atrocities against civilians. This included the systematic murder of millions of Jews during the Holocaust. A total of 24 top Nazi officials were indicted, along with 7 Nazi organizations, such as the Schutzstaffel, commonly known as the SS. If found guilty, these individuals and groups faced severe consequences. The IMT not only sought to convict these leaders but also aimed to document the extensive evidence of Nazi atrocities. This documentation served as a historical record of the Holocaust and other war crimes, helping to delegitimize Nazi ideology. The tribunal established important legal principles, known as the Nuremberg Principles. These principles defined what constitutes war crimes and crimes against humanity. They laid the groundwork for future international law, influencing the creation of the International Criminal Court and the adoption of the United Nations Genocide Convention. The IMT was more than just a court. It was a vital part of post-war justice and human rights developments. By holding individuals accountable, it set a precedent for how the world addresses war crimes and crimes against humanity today. The legacy of the International Military Tribunal continues to shape our understanding of justice in the aftermath of conflict.